Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me these two T's and they're saying that they have snap to object on, but these T's won't snap to. And there's a reason for that. See, there's no snap to. There's no snap to because it's a font. If you look, this is Arial. So we need to select them both and go up to object and convert the outline to an object. And then we're going to right click and then we're going to move this away. For some reason, he's got some sort of fill in. So I'm just going to delete. So you just have two fonts. We'll go to wireframe and look at them, and sure enough, they're good enough. So we'll go back to enhance. Now, these are objects. They're not fonts anymore. You can't snap to a font in this case. So we're going to zoom in. And I know what he's going to do. He watched one of my videos on rotating text. And now we can take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And what the Smart Fill tool did was made a new object. So now we have a blue object in there. See how these are still separated, where this one is all together. And then I'll left click, right click, and he wants to rotate them, Control D at a 45-degree angle. Pretty cool idea. I don't know what he's going to use it for, but if you take here and go weld, and then you can even go further and hit P, put it in the center of the page. I don't know that he's going to do this, but you can put a hole in the center, get the Smart Fill tool again, and voila. I don't know. I don't know if he's making a Christmas ornament with somebody's name that starts with T or what. That's a pretty cool, that's a way that I played around a lot with text and rotating text for earrings and stuff. Maybe this would be too sharp for an earring if that's what you're making it for. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.